Hi there and welcome to the Tool Shed with JCB Tools. My name's Adrian and today we're going to look at this 2118 MT-B. So what is that? Okay, so it's an 18 volt battery powered multi-tool, but it's the bare unit. So it's just the multi-tool itself with no battery and charger. So I'll open it up, lay the contents on the table so you can see exactly what you get. First of all, we have the head unit itself. Now this doesn't come with any batteries or chargers, so that's the bare unit. Now it does come with like a starter kit, so we have the sanding pad here with various grits of sanding pads, and these are just fastening, okay, or hook and eye I should say. It does come with a saw blade and a scraping blade, standard pattern these ones, and we do also sell an accessories kit with all the different blades and what have you that you may need for these. So finally with this we have the user manual. Now I do recommend that you read the user manual thoroughly before use. So if you've bought the bare unit, which is what this unit is, then there's a good chance you have one of the other power tools that come in this range, and you will already have a battery and a battery charger. So we got two sizes of battery chargers, and the batteries come in 2, 3, 4 and 5 amp hour capacities. So we've got a separate video that you can look at on how to charge the batteries, how the chargers work. But to insert the batteries, pretty standard. We've got a little Tenon key, push it in and it will click to a stop. To remove the battery, push the little key on the back here, slide it out, and that's the battery removed. So to fit the various tools that can be used with this, we need to open up the keep plate here. Now they do take the standard tools, and to open it up, if we lift this tab up on the top to the vertical, then right over forwards, the parts will simply slide on. You can place them in place, drop the tab, push it back down, and that's it. That's a tool change. So two controls on the unit, the on-off switch, forward for on, backwards for off, and the other control is the speed control. I've got it in number 1 here, that's the slowest. So if I turn it on, you'll hear the pitch change for the different speeds that you can use. So I'll switch it on. Also doubles as a musical instrument. So as you'd imagine, when you're using the sanding pads, they just stick on the underside like so, and that's it, it's ready to use. Okay, so just to show how easy it is to change between one tool and another, push that forward, off with that one, on with this one, so I can put it at any angle I like. It's fairly universal, depending on the job in hand. Once I'm in, we drop it to there, that locates it, lock it in position. That's a tool changed if I was coming in this sort of angle. Well, there we are. That's the JCB 18 volt multi-tool, the bare edition with no batteries and chargers. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit jcbtools.co.uk. I've been Adrian. Thanks for watching.